In this video we will talk about virgin coconut oil for relief of chronic fatigue. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel to be notified when we upload new videos daily. Virgin coconut oil for relief of chronic fatigue. For centuries, coconut oil has been considered a vital source of food for health and general well-being. In tropical countries where coconut palm trees abound, locals have long been benefiting from this so-called tree of life. Virgin coconut oil has an important role in finding cure and remedy for many of the illnesses brought upon by unhealthy lifestyle and the refined diet of modern living. Chronic fatigue syndrome used to be considered as an imaginary ailment. But nowadays, it has been affecting women between 30s and 50s and has become a problem of growing concerns among 3 million Americans and 90 million people worldwide. Chronic fatigue syndrome (CFS) is a condition characterized by prolonged and extreme tiredness that is not relieved by rest and is not directly caused by other medical conditions. Such fatigue is so severe that it keeps one from getting involved in regular activities. Thus, CFS may cause possible social isolation as well as lifestyle restrictions. Symptoms of chronic fatigue syndrome may be similar to those of common viral infections such as muscle aches, headache, and fatigue, often developing within a few hours or days and lasting for 6 months or more. Main symptoms: fatigue or tiredness, a kind of exhaustion that has never been experienced before by the patient to this extent before. New onset, which lasts for at least 6 months and not relieved by bed rest. Fatigue that is so severe it restricts activity. Serious fatigue develops with less than 1/2 of the exertion compared to before the illness. Other symptoms: fatigue lasting more than 24 hours after an amount of exercise that would normally be easily tolerated. Mild fever 101 degrees Fahrenheit or less. Sore throat. Lymph node tenderness in the neck or armpit. Muscle weakness all over or multiple locations, not explained by any known disorder. Muscle aches, also known as myalgic. Feeling unrefreshed after sleeping an adequate amount of time. Headaches, different from previous headaches in quality, severity, or pattern. Joint pain, often moving from joint to joint. Migratory arthralgias, without joint swelling or redness. Forgetfulness or other similar symptoms including difficulty concentrating, confusion, or irritability. Once you experience persistent, extreme fatigue, with or without other symptoms of this disorder, contact your professional health care provider. Other more serious disorders can cause similar symptoms and should be ruled out. With coconut oil now considered as a functional food, modern medicine is looking at it as a powerful tool against disease of the immune system as well as chronic fatigue syndrome. Many research have been undertaken on its effectiveness, and further studies are currently underway on the outstanding nutritional value of coconut oil. Warning: none of the information on our videos is a substitute for a diagnosis and treatment by your health professional.